Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, it's going to be a quick one. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset and how to find that option. Every unit's different, so the UI and navigation is going to be a little bit different, but it's exactly the same thing. On my one, there's only one option, which goes straight to the Android option. Some other units that I reviewed has two options, where you got your normal options, you got your Android options. You have to find your Android options, and it's not that difficult. So my one is literally just going into the options, going to the car settings, and then you'll have at the bottom reset factory. So you just go ahead and on my one I have to put a password in. I think it's 7890. Many of the other units that I reviewed didn't have password. It just gives you that warning message, and then you press OK and it'll do your factory reset. And it's always a good idea once you get a new head unit to do a factory reset at the start, because most units that come from China come with bloatware and might have some viruses installed on it. So it's just a good idea just to do a factory reset when you get it before you install your Google applications. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.